This is the most amazing place in Victoria. I'm calling it. It's beautiful.
And it's got a hat on top.
What is it?
I've got something in my foot. Quick, you know to get it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in the middle of nowhere in Victoria near Beechworth, and we're looking for a campsite, and we were going to sort of find a campsite and then start filming, but just come across this. So I thought you guys might like to see Jake's four-wheel driving skills, because we all know that's what we're here for. Holy guacamole. That was up so high. I was not ready for that. Far out, Brussels sprout. Let's get straight into it. So there's probably a reason why that's such a big ditch and no one goes that way.
This track doesn't go anywhere.
It doesn't go anywhere.
So now we've got to go back out of it.
But we did just see a guy in the river. And I don't know if this is like a top secret thing and we're gonna like... Someone was panning for gold. So I don't know if this is like a gold hotspot or what.
Where's the gold? Just like the pokey machine. That's my favourite one actually.
We don't go to the pokies that often. For those of you that are concerned that we have a gambling problem.
Well, yeah.
Do you want me to get out?
I reckon.
I didn't think he was going to make it then, but obviously, diff locker situation.
That was a tough one, wasn't it?
Did you have to put the diff lock on?
Yeah.
Told you, there's gold in the river. There is gold in the river, everyone. I mean, I don't know if there is. I don't know if he's found any, but he's looking. He is looking for gold. I just realised I filmed that on 2.1. Anyway, what I am going to say is a lot of rubbish. And when I say rubbish, I mean toilet paper. And I'm sorry, I should not have zoomed in on that. So we're about to cook dinner and we are going to make our first recipe from one of my friends. She's actually a primary school friend and she lives out of her van. She does van life. She's a dietitian and she's pretty much like amazing at everything. But she has just released an ebook and it is called Off Grid. Tonight we are cooking our first recipe from it. We are making the mango chicken stir fry and it's going to be like the easiest thing on the planet, but I already know it's going to be so delicious. So I'm going to get started. So I've just cut up a capsicum and I'm about to cut up like a couple of handfuls of broad beans. I've cut up 2 chicken breasts and then we're going to cook it up on the Weber. I think the whole concept of the ebook is that it's meant to be like really easy, really quick. All you need is one pan, but in this case, all we have is a Weber. So it's just one Weber. Okay, this is obviously not an ideal situation. I can't flip these because everything's just like, there's too much here. Jakey, I think we need the pan. I think I need the pan.
What are you trying to do?
What do you mean, what am I trying to do?
Are you trying to get that in there?
Is that not obvious?
Well, then you can just ask for help. Why don't you do that?
Well, that was a bit of a disaster, but we're back on track. We just moved everything to the fry pan for obvious reasons. I just thought it would be great, but turns out it all just went through all the cracks.
Smells good.
So now we add the rice and a little bit of soy sauce. Oh no!
Bad.
That's very bad. Oh no!
That's damage.
You guys, this is one of the best mangoes I've ever eaten, so I think we're in for a treat.
Alrighty, my first taste test. Yeah, it's not bad. What do you think? It's good. How good?
It's really good.
And healthy too.
Good morning.
Hey, tying the swag on.
We had such a lovely night by the river. The sounds of the river were so nice. Look at this. And there's like a little rapid there. We camped just here. But anyway, we're going to go and explore the town. We're going to go and explore Beechworth because apparently they have, and can you guess, it's breakfast time. It's like mid-morning. Can you guess where we're going? The Beechworth Bakery. Apparently it is like the most amazing bakery in Victoria. So I'm really excited about that. And then I think we're just going to sort of be a tourist around Beechworth. It's going to be a nice day. The sun is out. It is glorious.
That's a cherry cheers. Look what someone forgot to do. That's an oopsie. We all know who it was as well. My mate's dog ate them. Sad, but he's a good boy. Oh, Swiss.
Wow, that actually looks really good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? This is my kind of spot. Now I can just sit here and just watch people. Okay, much right.
It's really good. So good.
I'm so full. Alrighty. Guess where we are? Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Tell him he's dreaming.
It's the house from the castle. How cool is that? Look at this.
Tell them they're dreaming. Look at this on the bottom.
Tell them they're dreaming. What an Aussie icon of a place. I didn't even know that this was here. It's so crazy that they just let people walk up to it. I mean, well.
I think it's private. I think we're on
Probably private property, yeah, but look at this statue. Oh, that's fully carved out of wood, hey?
Yeah.
And it's got a hat on top of it. That's great. I don't know. It's weird. It's in a weird spot. Might do some research on it. It is a beautiful spot around here. How's the serenity around here? I will say, we're nowhere near the airport.
What?
You haven't seen the castle.
I've only seen the trailer. So we're realising it is the house from the castle. However, they've moved it from like an inner city suburb in Melbourne out to Beechworth because it was going to get demolished. And so they thought, like, let's keep a little bit of the history alive, and then they just moved the whole thing. So that's why it didn't have the concrete driveway.
It's in a different spot.
It's in a completely different location to what.
Someone saved it though. How good?
How good is that?
Alrighty guys, we've made it to a place called Beechworth, well, the Beechworth Gorge, because we're still in Beechworth. And it's magical, it's so beautiful here. But we've got to take our shoes off to keep walking, because someone just stopped us and told us that we've got to walk right to the end, because apparently there's like a wicked drop off and stuff. Looks pretty cool, like down there in the distance down there. Maybe that's it. Swap my shoes. The Crocs would have been superior at this spot. Well, it's a lot grippier without shoes, isn't it? Yeah.
Hang on, don't pull me.
Gracious. Look at this cool little thing in here. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. Look at this. It's like we're in Carragini, babe, but Victoria. Crocs would have been ideal for this situation. This is a beautiful spot. Literally 20 seconds ago, Lily was like, I wish we stayed at the other spot, and now look at this wicked little spot. How sick is this? Ha! There's no one around. Okay, this is pretty sick. This is unreal. I mean, we've been to a lot of places in Australia, and I've never had a beautiful waterfall like this to ourselves. Like, why is there nobody here? It's crazy. And it's just gorgeous. It's warm. We're literally 2 hours from Melbourne, I reckon. Probably less. Oh, yeah, probably 2. This is crazy. Look at that. And there's even more. Like, I could see there's more waterfalls on the drone that are just down that way. How sick. Ow. 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 Ow.
What is it?
I've got something in my foot. Quick, you need to get it out. Put that thing down.
Where is
No, you need to help me.
Where is it? Where? Sit down. Sit down.
Oh.
A bee sting. Let me get it.
Ow. Ah! Ow! Whoa!
You're so brave. That was so brave.
Shut up. I just panicked because I thought it was a needle. Like, that's I was just stressing because there's so much rubbish and shit in here.
Is there?
Yeah, look at it all.
Where?
Look at the pipe and stuff over there.
Where's the pipe?
What, that big
Oh, that pipe.
There's just rubbish and stuff everywhere. And I was like, that's it, I've got a huge needle in my foot.
It was a bee sting. You're so brave.
Just stop, leave me alone. I'll try and climb down there. I'll grab the GoPro and I'll take you with me. This is sick. This is actually mad. Tell you what, that beach thing really, really hurt me then. I don't know what it is. I've got a very low pain threshold. How rad is that? That's just phenomenal. No more bee stings, hopefully. There are bees hanging around. My toes all swelled up.
That's the only way we know how on this channel. Bee stings and bum cracks.
Bumble cracks.
Not my bum crack. There's only one plumber around here.
Yeah, I'm a plumber. You going in? The plan wasn't to be out here for that long, so I'm in dire need of sunscreen. But I got to get in one last time. Look at this.
Am I mermaid?
Oh, 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 oh! You have no idea how close I was to going in then. I almost just rolled down here into the water.
If you had have gone in, that would have been the funniest thing.
Unbelievable.
Alright, it's time for you to go under this hole.
Why don't you go under?
I'm not brave enough.
So you can go under here, through here to there. I don't want to go under though.
You do.
I don't want to put my head under.
Yeah, you're brave.
No, there could be E. coli in the water.
There's no E. coli. I already checked. I already called the people and I checked. How was it? It was great. Go under the waterfall.
No, I don't want to put my head under.
Okay, it's really fun.
No.
Okay.
Alright, I'll go under the water.
Go under. You love waterfalls.
I'm a waterfaller. This spot we've pulled up to, it's on Wiki Camps. I mean, it's probably not a great swag spot, but check that out. That's a view.
That's a view.
I reckon we're here on the perfect day as well. I reckon that this would get very windy, but no wind today. How sick is that? This makes me so keen to do the Vic High Country. I mean, well, we're pretty much sort of starting to do it. We're still in Victoria and it's high. We will be doing the Vic High Country, so just you wait. Just got to get a few things sorted first, and then we'll head up there. Oh, I'd love one. We're out, I think.
That's our last two. I won a competition and I won like 60 of these cans. So I just won a competition. I won Jacob and I $500 worth of Wrangler gear to wear to the Laneway Festival because I won 2 VIP passes to Laneway. So we're going to go to Laneway. I know. How exciting is that?
So good.
I know.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
I'm very excited about that.
These are good for your gut, they reckon.
Yeah, gut health.
They're like a soft drink, but they've got like no sugar in them, and they're actually really yummy.
That's what we're here. That's what we do around here. We're winners.
You know what winners do?
They win.
Ain't that the truth?